Today we're making a beloved family dish, stir-fried pork belly with shrimp. This quick and flavorful recipe doesn't require many ingredients, but it's sure to fill your kitchen with delicious aromas and become a go-to for weeknight dinners. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 300 grams of shallot shrimp, 350 grams of pork belly, finely chopped garlic and shallots, green onions and some seasoning essentials like fish sauce, MSG, or chicken bouillon powder, mushroom powder, sugar, black pepper, and if you'd like, a touch of annatto oil for that beautiful red color. We'll begin by prepping our pork belly. Take 350 grams of pork belly and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Next, let's marinate the shrimp. Place 300 grams of shallot shrimp in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of mushroom powder and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix well to coat the shrimp and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Now, back to the pork belly. In a mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of mushroom powder, 1/2 teaspoon of MSG or chicken bouillon powder, one-half teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Mix it all up, making sure each piece of pork belly is well coated. Let this marinate for about 20 minutes as well. While our shrimp and pork are marinating, let's prepare the green onions. Chop them into smaller pieces. These will add a fresh pop of flavor at the end. Now we're ready to cook. Heat a medium skillet with a bit of oil over high heat. When it's hot, add half of the chopped garlic and shallots. Stir-fry them until they're fragrant. This only takes a few seconds. Next, add in the shrimp and quickly stir-fry. You'll want to cook them until they just turn pink. Then remove them from the skillet and set them aside for later. In the same skillet, add a bit more oil and bring it up to high heat again. Add the marinated pork belly and stir-fry until the pieces are cooked through and begin to brown. Once the pork belly is ready, add the shrimp back into the skillet. Along with the remaining garlic and shallots. Stir everything together, combining all those wonderful flavors. Now it's time to season. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, one teaspoon of sugar, and if you'd like, a tablespoon of annatto oil to give the dish a warm, inviting color. Adjust the seasonings as needed to balance the taste. Stir everything well, letting the pork and shrimp get a bit of char on the outside. This extra caramelization really enhances the flavor and gives the dish its signature look. When everything's beautifully cooked, turn off the heat and sprinkle in the chopped green onions. Give it a quick stir for that final touch of freshness. And there you have it. Stir-fried pork belly with shrimp. Serve it hot with a bowl of steamed rice and enjoy this classic, comforting dish with your family. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you tried this dish. Happy cooking!